yeah, as you see, I'm counting sheep. Sorry, start again now. Right, I'm talking in sheep language, you see. That's one. That's two. Okay, so right. Counting sheep. You see, like, if you notice, that's all that sheep do. That's all they do. Now I understand. They just count. They count themselves to sleep. And that's where that saying comes from. About, oh God, it's all making sense now. Counting sheep to get to sleep. And that's all sheep do. They start in the morning. One. That was number one. And then they go on to number two. No, that's number three. Anyway, you get the idea. And they just count all day long, and then they get to sleep. So if you ever want to get to sleep, you just have to count like a sheep. Now, where was I? I can't remember number three. Oh God, I'm going.